Welcome to our tutorial on assembly decals. First, let's apply a decal to the LCD screen here. With the LCD screen selected and highlighted, we right-click and select Open. Now let's select this face and a new decal. Let's browse for our decal. Here's my LCD screen image. Click Open. Now let's go to the Mapping tab. The label mapping type is pre-selected for us. Let's leave it as is. And let's check Fit Width to Selection and Fit Height to Selection. Right now the screen is upside down. But let's click OK anyway. We're going to come back and fix this problem at the assembly level. Alright, select Window and let's go to the Pocket Assembly. The decal appears here now. Let's go to the Render Manager. Let's open the Decals folder and expand my LCD decal branch, which shows the face to which the decal is applied. Let's render our new model. Next, we're going to change the orientation of the decal, and we'll also make it brighter while we're at it. Let's double-click on the decal. And activate the Mapping tab. We can apply changes to the assembly level, and with this button we apply changes to the part level. Let's scroll down and enter a value of 180 degrees. Tab. Now let's activate the Illumination tab. We're going to select a constant illumination type. And then we'll click OK. Let's render again now. As you see, the screen image is oriented correctly and it looks brighter too. Now let's go back to our LCD part document. Click on the Render Manager and expand the Decals branch. Let's double-click on our decal. Select the Mapping tab. The changes we made previously appear here as well. Under the Illumination tab, we have the constant type pre-selected. Let's cancel out of this for now. Now select Window and let's return to our assembly. Next, let's open the Feature Manager and select the top housing. Activate the New Decal command. And let's browse for our image. Here's an image of a camouflage pattern. Let's apply it to this top housing. We're going to click inside the screen to close the Photoworks Items panel. On the Mapping tab, we'll leave as is, with Projection and Current View selected. Illumination. Let me show you this. If I apply a constant illumination in this case, we're going to end up with a problem. Let's click OK and render just to get a better look at what I'm talking about. After we render, we see that the entire model looks really flat. Let's double-click. And instead of a constant illumination, we're going to select Use Underlying Material. Let's click OK and render again. And now the model looks three-dimensional. Let's return to the Feature Manager. We're going to right-click on the top housing and open. You see that the decal wasn't applied at this level. Also, the Decals folder is empty. Let's go back to our assembly. Open the Decals branch, Camouflage pattern, and we see here that the decal was applied at the component level. One more thing, let's double-click and open the Decal Manager. Activate the Mapping tab. With the Assembly Level button selected, you see that the faces, surfaces, bodies, and features icons are grayed out. That is, they're not available for selection. In order to use these commands, we'd have to apply the decal to the part level. Let's right-click and clear selections. Now at the part level, you can see that these commands are available. Let's cancel out of this for now. And this concludes our tutorial on assembly decals.